Do you want to find the most accurate contact information on anyone instantly? Including address, phone numbers, and any available email addresses? You can get your info instantly with the Instant Skip Tracing Single Tracer. It's super easy and really fast. All you need to do is sign into your account, or if you're a new customer, create an account. Then once you're signed in, on your dashboard, below the welcome message, you'll see a form for Single Tracer. Just enter first and last name, known address, including city, state, and zip, and click Submit Search. With our Single Tracer search, if there's no hit, there's no fee, meaning if we don't find a match, you won't be billed, and we'll alert you before you even have to enter any payment details. If we do find a match, you'll be forwarded instantly to an order page. Pricing is only $1.95 for a single search, and the results are delivered instantly. Just enter your billing info, a coupon code if you have one, and agree to the Instant Skip Tracing terms of service, and then click to place your order. When your order is processed, we instantly skip trace your submitted search, and you'll be forwarded within seconds to a download page with your Single Tracer skip trace results. And that's it. See, I told you it was easy. So go ahead and give it a try. It only takes a few seconds. Get started now.